so excited to just be sitting down with the girls and trying on clothes today. I have a big box from White Fox to open with you guys, and when I placed this order, I just got done making like a new vision board on Pinterest, so I had a lot of inspiration when I placed this, and I love everything I picked up so much. I feel like I always have a little theme in mind when I place an order, so I was thinking like Bratz style in Hawaii and then like chic New York springtime vibes. So I always recommend their little sweat sets. They have really great swimwear. They have activewear as well. And I really like their staple like long sleeve tops. I like to always have like a little going out outfit ready too in case someone asks me to do something last minute. It gives me a lot more motivation. They do offer express shipping worldwide, but they are Australian, so it's not gonna come next day. So it's just think ahead and make sure you have that little outfit ready. If you live in Australia, New Zealand, or the US, you can use Afterpay to split up your payment. If you do get any inspiration, definitely use my code LauraKWF to save some money. Starting with this top that I'm wearing right now, this is the Into the Mist lace bustier in blue. I am loving aquas and turquoise and blue right now, so when I saw this, I was like, you're coming home with me. It's like a feminine, dainty little top. This color is gorgeous, and then it has like 2 layers. So under is the blue, and then the lace just sits on top. And it does have adjustable straps as well. So I just love this top so much. It was the first thing I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to get that out of the box without looking at everything else. And luckily it was at the very top of the box. It was meant to be. So White Fox has really cute, affordable heels. I showed 2 pairs in my last vlog, but I picked up 2 more. The first pair I have been eyeing, they've been sold out. And when I saw they had them back in stock, I was like, oh, these are meant for me. So these are the Liena heel and cream. Yes! Whoa! These are just so chic and beautiful. So many of the girls that I follow that work with White Fox are always wearing these heels, and they just go with all of their outfits. So I was like, I really want to get those when they come back in stock. The heel isn't too high, and then you can just slip them on and run out the door. And nude shoes always just kind of elongate your legs as well. So I'm so happy I finally got my hands on those. Yeah, one of the outfits that I ordered, I feel like needed a black pointed heel, so I got these. These are called the Georgia slingback heel in black. This one does have a strap to make your foot a little bit more secure and easier to walk in, and it just has that little detail there. I'll be grabbing it in a second, but I have this vision of a long black skirt with this really classy top. You'll see it, but I feel like these are just 2 really good basic staple heels that will go with so many outfits. I'm so happy that I picked those up. So as you can tell, I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for some color. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show you everything that's in here. Okay, I'm really happy I picked up the same Into the Mist bustier in pink as well. This one has orange under it, and I don't know, this kind of just gives me like the girly 2000s movie vibe. These tops are like stretchy but supportive at the same time. There was a while back where I kind of just stopped ordering going out pieces from certain brands because they weren't supportive and comfy enough that I never ended up wearing them. And that's what I like about White Fox, is that their going out stuff is still comfy enough that you feel good. I don't know, if I'm not comfy, I just don't feel good to wear. I love how she did the tag. But yeah, I had this vision of me going to Hawaii, so hopefully we make it sold out, so when it comes back in stock, I'm gonna get the full set. This skirt is what was really giving me like Bratz style in Hawaii. Retained mini skirt and an extra small sky blue floral. I feel like I could even wear this little skirt with this maxi dress. It's like this peach sherbet color. It's called the Buy Yourself maxi dress in peach. I just think that like orange on peach color is so feminine. I feel like once it's like just, I'm not feeling like I want to show a lot of skin. I feel like we all have those nights. So I picked up this top. This is so soft. This top honestly kind of feels like pajamas, but it's so like classy. I just feel like it being asymmetric makes it a lot more interesting than just like a plain black long sleeve. So I feel like this top with the skirt and these heels are gonna be such a moment. I cannot wait to get these on. Next, I picked up this little white mini dress that it looks modern still. It's just like ruching on the side, and this with the heels. Oh my gosh, I love everything so much so far. Okay, and then I also, this is so cute. Okay, this is the push, not knit, but it just, I don't know, it has like this texture to it that I feel like it will be very forgiving. I cannot wait to style that. Next, I got two blazers. I feel like this is the vibes I was thinking when I was saying spring in New York. They're called the Way to Go oversized blazer. I got it in mocha and charcoal. Oh, I can't wait. I gotta try this on right now. Yeah, dress that I have over there. I just thought that these blazers would be so cute styled with a pair of sneakers or like casually with like a little crop top and shorts. Yeah, I was just really drawn to the mocha, but I feel like charcoal is a really good staple color to have as well. I just wanted something I could throw on over like a little dress, or if I'm wearing it. Okay, this was also kind of like the New York inspiration I was feeling, and a little bit 2000s as well, but I wanted them to be super oversized. But I wanted this to be fitted, and I thought that this could be its own little moment with a pair of jeans and once again, pointed heels. I just want everything to go with pointed heels right now. But yeah, it has stitching going down the front, and it also has that on the back. And I love a good colored jacket, so I can't wait to see how this looks with a pair of jeans. That's a sassy jacket. Back to the Hawaiian vibes. Every time I order from White Fox, I have to order a bikini. I've ordered from other brands that are like 4 times the price, and they're still nowhere as close, as good of quality as White Fox. So look at how beautiful this print is. I just think this is so fun. They also have this in a turquoise color, which I am definitely gonna pick up. It was out of stock when I placed my order. I like having string ties to kind of give my body more of like an hourglass shape. I love that White Fox always has these little clasps to make it easy to get your bikini on by yourself. I feel like strapless is just nice if you're going down to the pool and you want this like neutral oat color. This is called Love You for Life maxi dress, and it has like a little zip up on the side to make it easier to get into. I've been really into like a green wash jean lately. So this is the Desired Mid-Rise Straight Leg Jean in the color Mid Blue Vintage. And these will look really good with heels. I can't wait to see how this looks paired with this little leather jacket. Look how cute. I love the little barbed wire heart. And I decided to go with an extra small. I've been living in my other jeans from them. Colorful top like this and so long. The Always Be Yourself jeans just go with all my tops, but I feel like you entertained mini skirts. So this one has the same layered fabric like the top. Yeah, it's super stretchy, so if you're unsure of what size, I feel like with skirts it's always good to kind of size down, unless Lizzie McGuire too. But you could either have it so it has like a little bit more. This dress is so classy, and it's like, I'm happy I went with the small because it is pretty comfy. This detail kind of goes in a little bit, so I think that's why I did a small instead of an extra small. But yeah, I like this material. It's double lined, so it's not see-through. This is like the perfect little white summer dress. Let's see what it looks like with off the shoulder. This has a zipper and adjustable strap, so it's easy to get into. This is so not like me. My boyfriend is gonna be like, what? I feel like he's gonna love this dress, but this is just like so girly for me. But I wanted something that just made me feel really pretty if I'm like on a trip. My birthday's coming up, and I was thinking this could be nice if we just go get like a birthday lunch or something. There's this halter to keep it up. If I go anywhere tropical, I'm bringing this, but until then I can definitely wear this somewhere casual for lunch when I'm feeling a little bit more girly. All right, I have on the black little pointed heels, and they're the comfiest heels I've ever worn. I don't think I have a pair with that little sling back, but that makes them so easy to walk in. I feel like I could sprint in these, but paired with the skirt, they're like a match made in heaven. And the shoes, I can't wait to wear this out. I don't have fake tan on. This is the kind of outfit that I want to wear where I'm not showing too much skin. It's outfit. These shoes are just so easy to walk in. I'm so shocked. Flattering than I expected it to be. That looks like. How cute would this be with like a big statement necklace? I wasn't sure if the mocha would go with enough colors, but I feel like this matches really well with this cream. This dress would be better if you have a smaller chest. It just didn't fit, but it is so pretty, the color. The bell sleeve dress was also too small. It's like stretchy, but the waist didn't have enough stretch to get over my hips. So if you are looking at this, I kind of want to try to order this again in a small. Let me try this dress on again. All right, I was able to get her on, and once again, I'm wearing the little nude heels, but my chest is just way too big for this right now. It Yeah, it's just like so flowy and cute. I love the shape that this dress gives you. So if you are like, I feel like you could wear this if you're up. Making me feel like a little mermaid, a princess. I love this. Yeah, and then there's that slit so you can walk. Everything matches with these heels. Yeah, she did a good job making sure it's not see-through. On the bottom, and then has that little pink lace layered on top of it. This top is just perfect. Have a drink every time I say paired with the nude heels. The charcoal blazer will be so cute with little tennis shoes, but this definitely gives a different vibe. But I love how you can kind of have it low cut and show a little bit of skin while still looking classy. I feel like this jacket is going to be a hit or miss. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, she actually fits above the waist, so it still gives you that shape. If you're going anywhere tropical, this is like the perfect little vacation bikini. Definitely wear it with a little bit of under boob too, depending on how comfy you feel. So that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much if you stayed till the end. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to use my code LauraKWF for some money off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you.